Hello, my reading friends. Today we'll be reading a story about a girl named Roja who is waiting for her mother to come back from work. Roja's mother leaves for work early in the morning. She promises to be back by bedtime. What will Roja do all day without Amma? Let's find out by reading When Will Amma Be Back? Written by Pratibha Swaminathan, illustrated by Alankrita Amaya and published by Pratham Books. Roja is sad. Amma is going to work. I will be back before bedtime, Kanama, says Amma. But at what time? Asks Roja. At exactly 9 o'clock tonight, replies Amma. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I want Amma to give me milk, not you, says Roja to Appa. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's buy potatoes, Tata, says Roja. But we had potatoes just yesterday. How about brinjal today? Tata asks. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Party! Let's eat! Tata is making papadam. Roja yells. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Honk honk. Roja's Akka is back from school. Party says I will go to school with you after the summer. Won't that be fun, Akka? Says Roja excitedly. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's time to go home, Roja, Appa calls out. Just one last time, shouts Roja. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. Selvi, eat your dosai quickly. Only then will you become big and strong, says Roja. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 7 o'clock at night. And so, when the cap seller threw down his cap, the monkeys threw their caps down too. Amma! Roja shouts. What did you do all day, Roja? Asks Amma. Tick tock, tick tock. It is almost 9 o'clock at night. I had a lot of fun today, Amma. Appa fed me breakfast. I bought brinjal with Tata. He made papadam for lunch. I picked up Akka from the school van. I played in the park. I fed Selvi dinner. Appa told me a story and now you are back, Roja says with a wide smile. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 9 o'clock at night. My day. Here are some things that Roja does at different times of the day. What did you do at the same time yesterday? Draw pictures of yourself doing these different things on a piece of paper. Roja eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. What did you do at 8 o'clock yesterday? Roja goes shopping at 10 o'clock. What did you do at 10 o'clock yesterday? Roja eats lunch at 1 o'clock. What did you do at 1 o'clock yesterday? Roja picks up Akka from the school van at 3 o'clock. What did you do at 3 o'clock yesterday? Roja plays in the park at 5 o'clock. What did you do at 5 o'clock yesterday? Roja feeds Selvi at 7 o'clock. What did you do at 7 o'clock yesterday? Paati means grandmother in Tamil. Tata means grandfather in Tamil. Hope you enjoyed reading this wonderful story with me, and I'll see you soon with more such wonderful stories. Bye till then. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you.